ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आज जी घेतात आमी ती स्टुडंट कम्युनिटीच्या वेलफेअरा खातीर. आमी गोंयच्या सरकारा कडेन स्टुडंट वेलफेअरा खातीर विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कल्याणा खातीर वेगवेगळ्यो 3 मागण्यो सरकारा कडेन केल्ल्यो आसात. विद्यार्थ्याच्या शिक्षणाच्या उज्वल भवितव्या खातीर ह्यो मागण्यो 3 अश्यो आसात. म्हणजे डिमांड 1 आसा तो रिक्वेस्ट टू एन्श्युअर दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट बेअर्स एंटायर एज्युकेशनल एक्सपेन्सीस ऑफ द स्टुडंट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. डिमांड 2 request to ensure that the government bears entire travelling expenses of the student in the state of Goa to their educational institution and back to home. And demand 3 request to revisit and revert the school timing of the students and to revert back to original school hours from 8 AM to 1 PM. अशी ह्यो मागणी आमी गोंय सरकारा कडेन मांडिल्ल्यो आसात. ह्यो मागण्यो इतल्या खातीर केल्ल्यो आसात कित्याक हेजे मुखार विद्यार्थ्याच्या भवितव्याक धोका आसा आनी ह्यो मागण्यो पास जावप ह्यो काळाची गरज आसा. भाजप सरकार सत्तेर येतरीत अच्छे दिन येतले म्हण खुबश्या मध्यमवर्गीय लोकांक सामान्याच्या समान लोकांक दिसून आयलें, पूण हांगा भलतेंच घडलें. अशी एक सुनामीची लाट आयली, एक तडाखो आयलो आनी त्या तडाख्याक मध्यमवर्गीय लोक, सामान्य लोक आनी सामान्याचे लोक व्हांवून गेले.
In times where economy is showing slowdown and livelihoods are under threat and under economic strain, the government should take over all the educational expenses, every educational expense of the students, all the educational needs, should bear the travel expenses of the students. They have got this Balrath and things like that. It's good. But it has to take over the expenses of the students of traveling completely, of each and every student, for which the government must do some thinking and act. And number 3, you see, late Bhausaheb Bandodkar, who was the first chief minister of liberated Goa, then though a union territory, you see, knowing the weather conditions of the state and so many other factors, the principles of the educational policy which came to be laid then, which was on a very scientific line, saw to it that the educational timings, the institution timings, were from 8 to 1. That is possibly also because of the weather conditions of the state. These were laid down by the then Chief Minister Bhausaheb Bandodkar on a very scientific line. Today, the educational timings of the state, which stretches post-afternoon also, it creates hardships and inconvenience to the students, to their parents, to the teachers, and to everybody who is associated with the educational institution and the process of learning. Therefore, we are telling the government that it is a view of the people which we are reflecting through this memorandum, which has been elicited by us, that these timings are causing hardships to the students, and you therefore look into it and revert it back to the original timing, because the timings as are existing today, they are disturbing the habits, eating habits, lunch habits of the children. It is going up to 2 o'clock and things like that. By the time they reach home, it is late. Parents are finding it difficult. Teachers are everybody is finding it difficult. So these are the 3 demands that we have placed before the government through a memorandum which has been signed by Mr. Bhandari.